All successful people have always been good readers. They read. It is their curiosity that drives them to read. They are constantly looking for new ways to improve. A good phrase to remember: all leaders are readers. Did you know that there are thousands of books containing knowledge on how to become stronger, how to become more determined, a better speaker, a more effective leader, how to make an impact, how to start a business, and thousands of other useful topics? Yet still many people do not use this wealth of knowledge. You are a good, diligent and sincere worker. You can work hard all your life and still go bankrupt, confused and in debt. You have to become something better than just being a good worker. You must become a good reader. If you don't like to read, listen to good audiobooks on your way home. This doesn't mean you have to read books and listen to cassettes until midnight from now on, although if you're broke, that wouldn't be such a bad idea. Set aside at least 30 minutes a day to gain knowledge. Yes, one more important thing, not to be missed. It's better to skip one meal, but never miss your 30 minutes of learning. We can all afford to skip a few meals, but none of us can afford to miss out on ideas, examples, and inspiration. The Bible teaches us that man does not live by bread alone. She tells us that after receiving bread, our minds and our souls need spiritual food clothed in words. Unfortunately, most people suffer from a lack of spiritual food. Some people read so little that they have already developed mental rickets. You need to buy books for your self-education. Don't shortchange yourself when it comes to investing in your own better future. What you present is determined by what you read.